Welcome to Eureka Math. I'm Mr. Shankel. I'm going to be helping you today with part 2 of Module 3, Lesson 28. Let's get started. We left off with, we were working on the video games. So the video games is the next line that we're going to do. And this time we're given the amount of discount and the percent saved. And you'll notice that I've highlighted these already. The amount of discount is the amount we don't pay. The percent saved is the percent we don't pay. So they're connected. They're related. So we can use the percent to help solve with and for the amount of discount. So our part to whole ratio is going to be 15%. That's 15. Wow, why is it doing that? 15 per 100 is equal to, well, the amount of discount is the part I don't pay. So that's a part, and that's going to go on top. And the whole is the original price, and that's what I'm going to have to figure out. All right, so it looks like I'm going to have to do some work in order to get this. 15 times what is 100? Not nice. 9 times what is 15? Not a nice constant. I'm going to use a double number line here to help me figure this out. So let me do a couple of lines here. This would be 0%. This is going to be 100% down here. That's fine. And I want 15% in there somehow. So I'm going to have 50. Here's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then there's 100. And then I also know that in between those, I'm also going to have some lines. So let me just get another color just so we can make sure we see. I don't know how these are going to, yeah, I'm afraid of that. I'm not sure how they're going to go in there. So, yeah, they're not going to go in there nicely. So you understand that there are more lines in between. And let me just draw them as, yeah, okay. That's 5, and then the red one's 10. There's 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. There's 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and then 100. So the one that we're really interested in is the 15%. So that is the second blue one here. That's 15%. And I know that 15% is also 9. So if I go back here, this third line is also a 9. Well, that means that every line is worth 3. And if every line's worth 3, and I have 20 lines, 3 times 20 is 60. I know the whole thing is worth 60. So there is my original cost of the video games, $60. That's going to go right here. So if the original price is 60 and I don't pay 9, that means that I do pay 51. All right, so that goes there. And then if I'm not paying 15%, I am paying 85%. All right, so that's the video games. Let's move on. Here's the MP3 player. This time we've got the original price, so that is whole, and we have percent paid, so that is a part to whole ratio in itself. So let me see, let me get another color here, and I'm going to go with, we're on the MP3 player, 90%, that's 90 per 100. 90 per 100 is equal to the part to whole ratio. Well, I'm given the original price here, so that's a whole. So that goes right there. And this time I do have a nice, not a bad constant here. 100 times 1.5 will give me 150. And so 90 times 1.5 will be my answer. And that gives me 135. 1.5 is 135. So the part is 135. But the question is, which part? Well, remember, we did 90%, which was the percent paid. That's going to help me find the amount paid. So that's the part that I found. It's $135. And if the original price is $150 and I'm paying $135, that means I'm not paying $15. And likewise, if I'm paying 90%, that means I'm not paying 10%. All right, so there is the MP3 player. Let's move on to the book. On the book, I have a sales price, that's a part. I have a percent saved, that is a part to whole ratio in itself. So there, my YouTube video is good. So I can use that in my part to whole ratio. The problem we have is this. My percent saved here does not match up with the other number I'm given, which is the sales price. If I use the 5%, it's going to find me the amount of discount, not the sales price. So right now, let me show you. If I use the 5%, I would go 5 per 100 is equal to the part. Well, the part I'm going to find is here, right? I'm using percent saved. So the part I'm going to find is the amount of discount. Well, I don't know what that is. Over the whole, which is the original price, that's here, and I don't know what that is. So I can't do anything with my part to whole ratios. I can't solve for anything. So this is what you need to do. When you recognize that, you first find the other percentage, because we know that the percent saved and the percent paid, when you add them together, it has to be 100. So the percent paid in this case is 95%. And so I'm going to use that. 95 per 100. And I know that the 95% is going to find me the sales price. Well, that's $15. And then I don't know the whole because that's the original price. So now I need to find a constant. And well, it's not a nice one, so I'm going to use a double number line. So here's our double number line. And that's 0%, this is 100%, and here would be 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, it's close, 50's there, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 100, but I need 95% in there, so I'm going to have to go back to drawing 5, 10, there's, each of these, there's 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95 is that one. So 95% is right here. And I know that at 95%, my answer is 15. So that's there. So that means I have 19 lines. So the 15 divided by 19 will give me the number of the amount per line. And I know there are 20 lines altogether. So it's $15.79 if I round it off. Is the original price. $15.79 is the original cost of the book. I'm going to pay $15, so that means I'm not paying 79 cents. All right, so there's that one. And it looks like we're going to run out of time for the snack bar. So I hope that helps. Keep in mind the amount of discount connects with the percent saved, and the sales price connects with the percent paid. And you have to use those percentages appropriately to find the missing pieces. Take your time and write some part to whole ratios, and you'll be all right. I hope that helps. I'll see you again next time.